you would have to kill me before I would leave the Catholic Church. Not because the Catholic Church is perfect in its members, but because it's perfect in the person who founded it, namely Jesus Christ. Amen? Listen, like, the joke is, Catholics, we have the menu, the Bible, and the meal, the Eucharist. And he didn't want me to just receive his word. He wanted me to literally receive him on my tongue, into my body and my soul. The Eucharist, brothers and sisters, Jesus is truly present, body, blood, soul, and divinity in the Eucharist. 2,000 years of tradition. We have the saints, we have the Blessed Mother, we have the sacraments of the Church. We got beautiful architectural marvels all throughout the world. Don't ever leave the Catholic faith. You have ancestors who died 100 years ago. They were murdered on the streets so that you would not give up your faith. Viva Cristo Rey!
Viva!
Viva la Virgen de Guadalupe! You would have to kill me before I would leave the Catholic